DriveWorks Solo is design automation software which allows you to quickly and easily create and configure custom products inside of SOLIDWORKS. You can use DriveWorks Solo and SOLIDWORKS to reduce the cost of custom designs, respond quickly to sales inquiries, enhance product quality, and reduce repetitive tasks. DriveWorks software is sold and supported by over 100 SOLIDWORKS resellers worldwide, and our technology is used daily by hundreds of companies around the world. DriveWorks software is scalable, from entry-level design automation with DriveWorks Express, all the way to the web as an online 3D configurator with DriveWorks Pro. DriveWorks Solo offers design automation at an affordable price without limiting the potential of an online configurator in the future. You can download DriveWorks Solo from the DriveWorks community and try it free of charge for 30 days. In 30 days, you can try the software, become an expert, and fully justify its technical abilities before buying. Free training, how-to videos, sample projects, and support from your SOLIDWORKS reseller will help you transform the way you handle custom orders and change the way you work forever. Instead of repetitive model alterations, your engineers could be designing new products or improving old designs to gain an advantage on your competitors. The cost of custom design is reduced, allowing for increased profit margin or savings for your customers. So let's take a look at how to use DriveWorks Solo. First, there is the setup of a DriveWorks Solo project. This can be split into 3 steps. To start, you capture the information that you would like to control. This can be anything from dimensions or features to custom properties and drawing information. Next, you design the user interface. This is where you enter the information for your new design. With DriveWorks Solo, your UI can be easy to use, but also operate flawlessly. Finally, you connect the user interface with the output data. You do this in DriveWorks Solo using rules. Our intuitive rule builder makes creating simple rules quick and creating complex rules easy. Once you've set up your project, you can run it to create new variations of your master model. You can use it to prepare quotes and use it when an order has been accepted to create manufacturing information within minutes. All of this functionality is possible with DriveWorks Solo. Contact your SOLIDWORKS reseller.